Lately, super obsessed akong gamitin to. This is the Get Ready With Me Quad Palette. And kompleto siya. From bronzer, contour, blush, and highlight. Buuin natin yung face ko with this quad palette. Let's go! Let's start with the bronzer. This is in the shade Beach Bomb. One of my concern with this is medyo powdery siya. Yung kanyang powderiness, it doesn't affect its quality. I mean, maganda pa rin yung bronzer. Ayan, ang ganda niya, diba? In fairness naman sa color ng bronzer na to, hindi siya yung super warm. It's still yung warm niya para sa Pinoy. I love it. Very nationalistic siya. Ganon. Isa to sa napawaw talaga ako kasi hindi ko in-expect na magugustuhan ko siya. This is the contour in the shade Dawn Tone. Concentrate mo lang here. Umpak. Diba? Ito namang shade na Dawn Tone, perfect siya for my skin tone. I am light medium skin tone and ang ganda niya. Hindi siya yung super ashy na contour. Very workable. And in fairness, hindi siya ganun ka-powdery as the bronzer. Kita nyo yan? Ang ganda. Ito rin yung ginagamit ko sa aking nose. Bakla plakado to sa ilong. Talagang nose contour kong nose. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ang ganda, di ba? Oh. Ganda. Ito matagal ko na tong technique, pero mas inuuna ko muna yung highlighter before ako mag-blush. I'm going to be using this shade Lit AF. And in fairness to this highlighter, hindi siya powdery. Like, it's a very blinding highlighter. Ayan o, ayan. Ang ganda nung gagawa niyang effect na glow. Alam mo yung, kita mo yung mga fine glitters, pero merong buo-buo glitters effect siya. Like, bakla, pasabog, diba? Naglalagay rin ako here sa aking tip of the nose for the effect lang. Also here sa aking brow bone. Wet look, pasabog. Lastly is the blush. In fairness naman, na-enjoy ko siyang gamitin. By the way, this is in the shade Venus. Maganda siya, diba? Pink and then shimmery. Pasabog. I love it. Diyosa, o diba? And again, this is the quad palette from Get Ready With Me. Get ready, get set, go. I mean, I think this is your sign to get the quad palette. You can customize naman yung mga quad palette. So, perfect. Dapat bumili ka na ng quad palette. Ito na yung sign. Bye!